know, one of the most popular lechon nandre sa Cebu is the Cebu's original Lechon Belly because sila ginagibinto ng Lechon Belly, bay. Pero 10 years ago pa na ha. So 10 years later, now they're gonna introduce a new item. Ang ilang Lechon Ribs, bay. Kasi kabaw ba ka? If you run a survey kung sino yung paboritong parte sa lechon, dagkan sa mo ingon naganaan sila ribs and gusok. So finally, there is a Cebu's original Lechon Belly. They're offering Lechon Ribs. And today, that's what we're gonna eat. So come on, let's check this out. Ako'y mag-prepare sa ilang tanong. Wala. All you want, ribs. So, mauna na.
1/2 na spicy.
So, mauna na. Tanawa.
No. 1/2 lang.
Alright. Aside sa ribs o sa ilang lami kay Lechon Belly, nasa sila inindot mga pares dre kung maglindot tumudre oh. Ano yun? Ang bam eh. Nag-enjoy ni Sir Charles. And then of course, ang dugo-dugo. Na. Oh, lechon dugo-dugo. Lechon dinuguan.
Salty.
Lechon yun. So guys, anong dilawan? Ilang katong original, katong non-spicy na flavor, which is ano ni? lechon ribs yan na dili halang. Of course, kuan siya. Yun ang Cebuano na lechon na timpla baka nang halang-halang na noon. Parat yun siya. Yan namin yun kani para sa puso, sa kanong. O guban pa. So kinikilaw-kilawon lang dapat na gini kanon. Pero siya, laban naman siya. Sumala kung naman pamilya na ganahan na mo kitkit na lechon ribs na dili halang for stars sila option ana. So kilawin ninyo. Kusog sa diyang tanglad na aroma by the way. So murang siya lechon. So hi guys, we're here at Cebu's original Lechon Belly and we're with a man behind, you know, one of the greatest food inventions ever. I mean, in the recent years, in the recent decade, one of the most amazing food inventions in Cebu is the Lechon Belly. But this time, 10 years later, nasa bagong offering na what we call the Lechon Ribs. And I'm with the man behind it. This is Mr. Marlon Gotchan.
Hi.
Oh, sir. So, mana, nga na nakauna mo na mag-offer ng Lechon Ribs?
Yeah, for the longest time, it's almost 10 years since we invented the boneless lechon concept. It's really the lechon belly, but we were selling the boneless lechon. The ribs were nowhere to be found 10 years ago. Now, it's 10 years has passed, almost 10 years. For sustainability, since some of our suppliers are saying like, sir, in our walk-in freezers, there are a lot of ribs. So, can you help us out? So, during the past few years, we were really hoping to look into a product which can balance the boneless lechon, which is the slab which you buy in the supermarket. But the ribs, there are so little consumers for the ribs. So, we had to devise a way that it can be a balanced thing for sustainability.
So why of all the flavors, di ba, sa ribs, why lechon?
You know, Cebuanos, no? Kumukaon mo, kitkit ang gusto. We have proven also the boneless lechon was really a hit during the time until now. But there is really some, customers, example, you want the boneless lechon, but maybe a brother, father, a mother would want the ribs. So it's kind of balanced. So this time, if you want the boneless lechon, you can have it, and they can have the ribs also. All together, it's all in the belly area. Still lechon belly.
Wow.
But now we can serve both. It's best of both worlds. The one with the meat, the one with the ribs.
And how difficult was it to formulate this one this time ba? Compared sa una,
Actually,
compared to itong imong lechon belly concept.
Actually, it's all difficult. It's always difficult to innovate, create something new. Pero labi nata ang mga Cebuanos, perting lisura impli sa dila. Ano yung mga Bisaya, especially mga Cebuanos. Kung wala na lami, na wag di tayo ayo na. Pero kung masultian ta, makuha na to ilang gusto, maka-jackpot sa ta. Well, for us, 10 years back, na-jackpotan kita. And it started here, the magic started here, the same Park Mall. And si Carlos there, feature us also. Thank you for the feature. And going back, ang pagkalisod ko ana, kanang giun sa pagsugod, pero once nakasugod na is boneless, the distinctive taste we have for our lechons, mo man ay among continuously bring out. So with the lechon ribs right now, it's still the same distinctive taste. So if you love the flavor of our boneless lechon, it is continuous with the lechon ribs. There is no bullshit story here. It's plain Cebu Lechon Ribs. Kitonon yun, pareha ng kinaraang busok, ibirani mo dia, maog yun, or even a super lechon tasting pag yun ganing na ribs. Grabe. So if hilig ka mo kitkit, the ultimate Cebu Lechon Kitkit experience begins here. Grabe yun. And we are roasting the ribs without the pig. Di manina. So, grabe ang sistema, ang process naman. Kung anay kihalang tibok baboy, ani, ang among ihatag ninyo, importante is the product itself, nga lechon ribs, diretso. If you want to sell the bonus lechon, we know you want, na gyapon.
So,
Best of both worlds.
yes. So, mura pagkaron we have a pandemic, diba? So how come you decided to launch something despite, you know, this situation?
Actually, as I've said, we were working on it already for the past years. But knowing, it's like you are so proud to introduce something new. But once nga na-finalize na yun na muna,
So feeling mo ready na gud ha?
yes, nakuha na yun, na murag ready, we just don't want to delay it more, no? Kay lisod na, labi na dahang kitag mangupyahay dire niya. Kaya mag-una na lang yun ta, no? Okay, kani, duda ko, this will be the latest craze again. Mangupya sila, pero di man eh, now that we have launched this will be available only here through our Park Mall flagship store or sa delivery. Nowhere else.
Yes. So
Nowhere
speaking
else.
of kuan, diba pandemic ron, so nice gid magpa-deliver na lang. So na din may
Yeah.
own delivery service.
Yes, we do have our in-house deliveries. You may call if you have the pen and paper 0932-877-4519 or Globe 0927-130-1958.
Yes, mao gid na. And finally, sir, invite them to para mo tilaw sa atong lambing lechon ribs.
Ga-launch me today here sa Park Mall. It's our launching day today. So we are so happy to have launched it finally. That is Lechon Ribs. And it's happening here sa Park Mall today. Pero noon, mamaligyan na tasugod ma. Karon murag premiere na ba? Sa kinsay na amaze atong ipang-post mo sa Facebook, sa website na mo. It is available now here in Park Mall.
So tilaw na ha. Alright, kit-kit na dire.
Oh, kitkit na ta.
Alright.
Kung kita ka, bait tayo. Pamot mo na nila. Yung kit lang ba?
Ganun yung kit-kit yun. Ano yung kit-kit experience. Ma'am, ano mo ganaan na flavor? Ang spicy or ang original?
Spicy gid ako.
So sa ribs, spicy gid nga naman. Nga makaingon gyud mas lambi ang
Mas
spicy.
grabe ang flavor sa spicy compared to original. And
So-
then, mahilig ko sa gusto spicy, that's why. Pero for me, the best gid ang spicy sa Cebu's original Lechon Belly and of ang ribs nga kuan.
Oh, so makahurot yung daghang pusuan imong style.
Yes, magkupa gid ako diet.
And aside from the ribs and the lechon, what else do you offer in your stores, by the way, na dapat tilawan sa mga Cebuano?
Naami bami, special bami and then dinuguan. Beef stew o ang kaning sinigang nga lechon.
Wow!
Pero naasad mi soon nga amo ipagawas na sad nga lahi nga kuan mga putay. Yes.
So finally, invite them na bubisita sa
As of now, good since COVID na no. Pero if you can drop by here at our Lechon Belly Park Mall branch, please do drop by here and mga onta, kit-kita. Pero if maglisod mga ni, pwede ra gid mo magpa-deliver. We do deliver also.
Kumusta man ang lechon ribs experience nimo?
So far, very grabe kalami.
So which one did you like? I mean, ang original, ang spicy?
My favorite is spicy jud. But pag tilaw na ko sa original, naglibog na ko. Pero actually, lami jud kayo ang taste. Mas spicy man or mga original, grabe.
Hindi good.
The best.
So bay, nakay message ang mga taga Mandawi bay na I heard ang ribs kuno mo abot na sa Mandawi.
Yes. Actually, na natin Lechon Belly sa Insular. Then, nasa karon bago kami. So, kit-kita sa ribs. Lami kayo. Grabe kalami ang ribs yun. So,
So asa kay ang lechon ribs sa kuan? Ay lechon belly sa Mandawi?
nata sa Tabok Insular Square Mall. And then, wala. Invite mo guys. grabe kalami ang atong Lechon Belly, Cebu's original Lechon Belly.
So bay, ganun mga taga Mandaue, din mo kinahanglan mo biag layo kayo kung taga Basak mo na area, taga Konsolasyon, ari na mo sa Insular Square na branch bay. I'm sure makatilaw sa mas Lechon Ribs pohon.